Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the yarn giveaway, and so I have the YouTube video with all the comments, so I'm just gonna push load for load comments for this one. See who the winner is. Okay, so it looks like there was 315 comments, and this is for this giveaway here. So I'm going to pick the random picker now. Winner, Erin Davis. Okay, she said red heart for the comment. Okay, so Erin, congratulations. And what you need to do is, just like the other giveaways I've done, is you can comment down below your information so I can send it to you. And if you don't want to do that, I approve all comments, so I won't approve any of your information. Or you can email me. My email is listed in the description, or you can message me on YouTube. So you have those three options. Okay, so congratulations, and thank you everybody for participating and subscribing, and thank you for watching.